Hi traders, just a very quick tour of what I did today, and when we look at the daily charts. I bought the lows in the Euro session and just try to move my stop up, and it kept failing at 700. This is the pound yen, kept failing at 147. So I just kept buying lows and taking it off at resistance. So I thought to myself, you know, if they're going to trade the range, then that's what I'll do. Rather than try and get a runner, I'll just trade the range. I did that with the Dow. I bought the open down here somewhere, sold it quite quickly, shorted this reversal bar down to support, and then reversed it, and then traded that up into the close. So that's what I did. Pound US dollar had a terrible range bound day. So let's look at what we've got. I'm still holding that is a hammer. That is a lovely hammer. If you're long the pound US dollar, well done. Just sit in it, don't do anything. And let's see if that can break 15680 and perhaps get up to some of these levels up here. But you know, I think we're out of the fib zone here, but you know, maybe this is just a little excursion, and we can pop back in the fib zone and start to wind our way up. Because if you look at the euro, you know, the euro's moved sideways as well. A lot of sideways action today. You know, the euro's holding up. It's not engulfed yesterday's price action, so we're holding. But the you know, pound US dollar is just dragging, so we're literally trapped in a tight range there. I'm holding some pound yen. I would leave, if you're not in that, just leave that one, because that let's see if that one can do anything. Aussie US, I'm long this one. Not the finish I wanted. I was looking for a finish above 40. But let's see. My stop is under this low. You know, if I get stopped out, it's a tiny stop. Otherwise, I will leave it. And let's have a look at the pound Aussie dollar. That is looking good. You know, I think we can. It's a major level of resistance, so we've not closed above. But I would buy a pullback to 151.38 to see if that can rise. Okay, and oil. Oil is, you know, a lovely drop to support and a lovely move back up. I didn't trade it because it started to move just before the invents, and I don't like to trade it before the invents, so I had to leave it, unfortunately. So the Dow close is looking like that, right pinched right in that apex. So I've been holding this massive channel. I was hoping this was going to break out tonight, but we're just in that apex. We start breaking 14,000 tomorrow, and I think that could go up to 14.5, perhaps 15,000 over the coming days. A lot of UK manufacturing in the morning, and let's have a quick look at some UK stocks. A lot of decent closes today. That's Tesco's holding up well. Scottish and Southern is a little flat at the moment. Let's just short that up. It's okay though. I think that will do it. Even M&S is holding up okay. General is holding up okay. So yeah, a lot of good price action in the charts today. That's a good close. You know, a new little low in this little range and close above in first group FGP. That's I like that. Sentiment is a slightly weaker close, so I'll just sit tight on that one. Alpha BT is done okay. BT is very strong, and BG is just holding that range. Okay, let's have a look at some more. Greco has got a hammer. That we break 1596 I would buy a Greco. Hargreaves Lansdowne is just a rocket. It's broken that pivot, broken this channel line, and it's just an absolute rocket. Okay, I hope that helps, and see you next update.